How to cancel YouTube Premium free trial on desktop. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're on a YouTube Premium free trial but decided it's not for you, don't worry. In today's video I'll show you how to cancel your YouTube Premium free trial on desktop in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website at youtube.com and make sure you're logged into the account that has the YouTube Premium free trial activated. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and from the drop-down menu select Paid Memberships. This will take you to your membership management page. On the Paid Memberships page, you'll see a section for YouTube Premium. Here, you'll find details about your free trial and the renewal date. To cancel, click on the Manage Membership option next to YouTube Premium. A new page will appear with the option to cancel membership. So click on that and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked why you're cancelling, so feel free to choose the option that fits you. Once you confirm, your YouTube Premium free trial will be cancelled and you'll no longer be charged once the trial period ends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.